Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why The Sims 4 is not available on the Nintendo Switch. Many players have hoped for this popular life simulation game to come to Nintendo's handheld console. However, despite some past confusion and online listings, Electronic Arts has officially confirmed that The Sims 4 is not currently available on the Nintendo Switch, and there are no plans for its release. One major reason The Sims 4 hasn't made it to the Switch is due to technical challenges. The game, especially with its numerous expansion and game packs, is quite demanding. The Nintendo Switch's hardware, while impressive for its size, might struggle to deliver a smooth and enjoyable experience. Porting such a large and intricate game would require extensive optimization, which developers have indicated is not currently a focus. If you're looking for a Sims-like experience on your Nintendo Switch, there are alternatives. While The Sims 4 isn't an option, other titles from the Sims universe have been released or are coming to the platform. For example, the My Sims Cozy Bundle, featuring My Sims and My Sims Kingdom, offers a unique and engaging life simulation experience, focusing on building and character interaction. For those determined to play The Sims 4, you can enjoy the full experience on other platforms. The game is readily available on personal computers, including both PC and Mac. Additionally, it runs seamlessly on PlayStation 4 and Xbox One consoles, and is fully compatible with the newer PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X and S. These platforms provide access to all the game's content and expansions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.